Hi, I'm Ray Valerie Abobo and I'm going to perform a hand hygiene with soap and water. So first, remove all jewelry and wet hands with warm water. Removal of jewelry facilitates a proper cleansing. Microorganisms may accumulate in settings of our jewelry. Uh, Warm water is more comfortable and is less likely to open pores and remove oils from skin. And the water should flow from the cleaner area to the more contaminated area. And note that the hands are more contaminated than the forearms. And then apply 1 to 2 pumps of soap or use a bar soap if available, and enough soap to be used to lather the palms, the back of hands, the fingers, and the thumb. And rinsing before and after use soap removes the lather which may contain microorganisms. So next, lather soap and rub palms together. So I will be using a bar soap. Lathering with soap and rubbing with circular motion loosens the dirt and microorganisms. And then next, rub in between fingers and around fingers. So, rubbing mechanically loosens the dirt and microorganisms. And then next, rub the back of hand with the palm of opposite hand. So, rubbing, it can loosen the dirt and microorganisms. And then next, press and rub the fingernails and tips into the palm of the opposite hand. So using a friction motion to loosen the dirt and microorganisms. And then next, rub each thumb with a circular motion with the palm, the opposite hand. So cleaning the around the thumb, up to the wrist, on both hands. Using a friction to loosen the dirt and microorganisms. And now that we're done, we're going to rinse hands by the running water by keeping the fingers pointing downward. Running water rinses microorganisms and dirt into the sink. And now we're going to pat hands dry with a clean paper towel. So using this paper towel, pat dry the skin, prevents chopping. So discard this tissue paper, get another. Discard this tissue paper. And now, get another clean paper towel to turn off the faucet. So, turning off the faucet with a clean paper towel protects the clean hands with the contact from the soiled surface. and hands are now safe to use. And now I'm going to perform a donning and doffing of non-sterile glove. So how to apply the glove? First, perform hand hygiene using ABHR to deter the spread of microorganisms. And next, select the appropriate size of non-sterile gloves and remove it one at a time out of the box and touching only the top of the cuff. So, touching only the top of the cuff to prevent contamination. And put hand through opening and pull up into up to the wrist. And repeat the procedure to the second hand. So touching only the top of the cup to prevent the contamination. And now adjust the gloves to cover the wrist. Complete care as required. So this is non-sterile gloves hand. And now, how to remove the glove? Grasp the glove of the outside about 1/2 inch. Do not touch the wrist of the other hand. So, pull down the gloves, turning it inside out. Turning it inside out and hold the inside out glove in the glove hand and gather the inside out glove in the glove hand and insert the finger of the bare hands under the cuff of the glove hand. Pull down the glove until it's inside out, drawing it over the first glove so that the contaminated area does not come into contact with the hands or hands. And now discard the gloves into the garbage container so to prevent the transmission of microorganisms. And now perform hand hygiene to reduce the spread of microorganisms. So, and now we're done. Thank you.